Hi, I'm Jason Tellis. I'm with Net2Phone, and Net2Phone, we're here at Enterprise Connect, and I just want to thank everybody and say hello to everyone. Just want to highlight some of our products and what the solutions that we provide. So as you can see, we have a true unified communication solution, and so this is our web-based solution where we have a dialer where you have the ability to make outbound calls, access to voicemail, real-time analytics, so you can get your call reporting, call information at the user level, call history information. As you can see, it's an actual full phone system. So customers have the ability to manage their phone system through the cloud. It's a cloud-based solution. So as you can see, you have the ability to manage users, ring groups, auto attendance, et cetera. So as you can see, also we have call queues, and a full range of functions and features for the phone system. So for customers that want to work remotely, we have a mobile app that's available. Customers and clients can use, again, our WebRTC dial pad, but then also customers can have that physical phone, that real desk phone environment as well. So this is a great product, this is a great solution. Just look up Net2Phone. You can go to net2phone.com and reach us anytime. Thank you.